Yeah, do some rapping, then I'll bring the hook in. Alright,
you ready? Niggas funny looking. They granny on Thanksgiving, I don't want nothing she cooking. Niggas sounding from down south, but they come from Brooklyn. Niggas need to get it right, we'll bring a bunch of hooks in. She gon' be face down. Phone book, man, they call 911. Smoking on the blunts, these the pans I brung. With my people, got all kinds of guns. So
right.
If they funny looking, nah, we gon' be bustin'. You better be booking, bussin' at the bus stop. Fucking with them, they gon' wonder when the buck stop. Nah, buck, I stop. That's the capital. Up there, we cap them all. Got my niggas over here, we had them all. Have them all. Hit the throat, man, and laugh at y'all in the middle of my freestyle. Meanwhile, like he said, I'm with the G-Chow, plus cuz, plus bruh, and they fuck with us, it's gonna be ash to ash. That's all family. Bust, nigga. Trust, nigga. That nigga's old, it's funny looking, it's got rust, nigga. It's fucked up, nigga. You need brother, fix your shit up, nigga.
Fix it up, yeah, you know I'm fix it up. Yeah, call me the mechanic, yeah. Eat niggas for supper, leave you funny looking, nigga. You cannot fuck with me, coming through this bitch. Yeah, I'm living in luxury, get money every day, and I ain't playing. Trying to do this shit, take over this fucking land, leave you funny looking, lower level. I do this shit, call me, put me in history like I'm a rebel, but don't give a fuck, niggas, I'm stepping in. I ain't got no friends, fuck it. Enemies all, no kin. Nigga, get out of my space. Get out of my face. You funny looking, nigga, I'm winning the race.
You stepping up, real clean, crisp and everything. What they want I do, I never put that hoe into a wedding ring. Cause she funny looking, pimpin', and what I'm do is coming through straight, slipping up on motherfuckers with the Glock at night, taking your money. Yeah, I got to have it, alright, but look, you're funny looking, you can keep that change, it ain't shit to me. Go ahead and change your game, I am a pimp, nigga, you shoulda knew that. Come from way back where the motherfucking true cats roll tight every night on triple gold D's. Nigga, I make you whole. Tell me please, and if she funny looking, I still give her some dick, but I won't take her before I take her straight to the strip joint and let her get that paper like she's supposed to, and bring it home to daddy. Nobody really knows you. Bitch! Motherfuckers funny looking, like you said, your cousin, your auntie, your granny, money looking. Nah, that was the chorus. He was supposed to bring it funny looking. Now he over there. Nah, he really funny looking.
Funny looking. Whole family funny looking. Sister, brothers, auntie, uncles, little cousins.
Funny looking.
Auntie, uncles, funny looking. Sons and daughters.
Funny looking.
Dead broke, nobody getting no money looking. Boy, you funny looking. Whole family funny looking. I should come in your house, nigga, and break and book you. Why you Facebooking? Ugly ass nigga. Making motherfucking ride on that mask, nigga. Step on some glass, nigga. Barefoot, dirty boy. Hate that shit, yeah, it's a dirty world. You know, I come through, nigga, with like 30 girls with Jerry curls on your funny looking ass. I pull up in the motherfucking Jag, smoking on the bag. Tell your motherfucking dad he a fag. Bitch!